Hi friends, I am Kiranpreet Singh. My student ID number is 303633189 and we are two members in a group. Other member is Gurinder Pal Singh. Student ID is 303633195 and I am representing the presentation of enterprise systems. Coming to the next slide. Here is introduction. I am talking about introduction of enterprise systems. Enterprise systems are effectively organizational management system that monitor the flow of resources and related operation in a firm. Enterprise resource planning is a type of enterprise system that manages the resources in the organization. It also highlights the way IoT systems are integrated with ERP systems for better functions and access to organization data. And coming to the next slide, background to ERP systems. ERP systems are inherently resource monitoring systems that ensure safe and calculated procurement and uses of resources for all operations involved. It has emerged as the best enterprise solution systems in the digital area industry. It manages the resources and also keeps track of its use and accountability of for the entities. Here's a picture shows what the ERP systems. There is a financial, supply chain management, purchasing, CR, CRM, human resource, and data warehouse. Moving to next slide. Background to Internet of Things technology. IoT is the digital technology that creates a digital network of systems, computers, human as well as animals for data sharing and information capturing. This makes IoT a library full of data stack that can be used for various tools like ERP functions. It is used for decision making in the firms. Coming to next slide. Integration of ERP with IoT. IoT generates lots of data owing to the fact it is linked directly to the system mainframe. It is identifiable with the help of its UID. Integration with ERP system make it more compatible with functions of ERP mainframe. It also assisted by IoT services like APIs and ETL functions. Connecting to the Internet of Things to the software is the Internet of Things in our used in our business and connect to the agent further connected to interconnected enterprise software and other more technologies used in IoT. Coming to the next slide. Pros and cons of the integration. The main pros of the ERP IoT integration is the access of IoT device generated by data by the ERP system. Prior to the integration, this was not possible and most of the data was wasted. However, this integration has also introduced risk of data privacy and security as IoT mainframes can be used to access ERP mainframes. And rest of the slides talk about the other team members Gurinder Pal Singh. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Gurinder Pal Singh, and my student ID is 303633195, and I am continuing my friend Kiranpreet Singh. Uh, in the first slides is the impact of the Internet of Things ERP integration. The scope of IoT and the ERP integration has impact the vast tracks of a digital industry, as these firms are in the race of identify the technologies. Firms have integrated the Internet of Things device with ERP system for further integration with the data intelligence system. This has triggered the data science industry to develop the IoT system that can perform data sharing and data analysis. Mm. The next is ERP Internet of Things integration at General Electric Australia. General Electric Australia has been using Internet of Things for most of its data system to identify error and data that can be developed. It includes the area of engineering like aircraft engineering and both industrial and domestic electric grid with the smart sensors. These systems are also linked with the ERP system of General Electric Australia that help them identify the system performance. Integration process at GE Australia. APIs are extensively used in the ERP and IoT data transmission system for the uh, bilateral transmission of ERP architecture. Uh, General Electric Australia management has identified the system from where the data is required. These are the engineering division and the power transmission system. Uh, the main area where the General Electric Australia applied the functionalities of Internet of Things and ERP system integration are its engineering specifications. It is to develop and improve the engine performance. The firm also used the data generated from the customer service servers to provide better and refined services. In the conclusion, it can be concluded that the Internet of Things and ERP system are independent systems that have their respective functions and application in the industries. When integrated, these systems can lead to disruptive innovation in the data industries. Both the Internet of Things and ERP are data-related system where the former generates data and the latter store it for its processing. These are the reference where we collect all the data for the presentation and the report. Thank you. Thanks a lot.